Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric skateboard 2023 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Blizzard Electric Skateboard. Range and speed. A max speed of up to 19 mph and a range of 8-10 miles, and equipped with a secured 36, 4.0, and 144 lithium-ion battery pack, which can be fully charged within 3 hours. 2022 new release wireless remote. Easy-to-hold wireless remote that controls acceleration and deceleration with reverse capability. 2 speed modes to beginners and advanced riders. Hold function to assist getting on and off the board. Remote control is rechargeable. Maple wood plus bamboo deck and premium grip tape. The 7-ply maple wood deck sandwiched between 2 layers of bamboo on the top and bottom of the board, giving it more flexibility and sturdiness. The deck is outfitted with grip tape and is concave to keep the rider's feet firmly in place and on the board. Number 4. X-Way Electric Skateboard. Unmatched flexibility. X-Way Wave is not only smaller in size and weight, but also meets the performance needed for daily use. You can put it under your seat, throw it in your suitcase. The possibilities are endless. Also, a shorter distance between front and rear trucks with kicktail design leads to an unparalleled agility. Hassle-free lighting with S 2.0. To maximize the space available for the battery module, we've built the S into the base of the drivetrain. And we didn't stop there. Front and rear lights powered by the battery module have also been integrated into the base of the trucks, controlled by one touch button on the remote. Pro deck design. Here at X-Way, we love a comfortable yet controllable deck. So we created our own cruiser-style deck for the Wave with variable concave, foot pockets, and wheel flares. Oh, and we didn't forget the most important part, a kicktail. Number 3. Meepo Electric Skateboard. More fun to ride. 30-inch short deck with a functional kicktail, making the Mini 2SR easier to ride, turn, and super portable. Moreover, introduce front-end protection technology and skateboard deck perfect with get stands more comfortable. Get much skill compact body with a lot of power is great for people who want to get more skateboard experience and skill. We are authorized by Meepo Skateboard. Well made for all age. Meepo Mini 2SR is great due to easy to carry on and off buses for office workers. Slicker for cruiser. The battery has a range of 20 miles/32 km. Many lifestyle riders find our standard equipment of electric skateboard to be more than sufficient for those looking for speed and portability. Poo wheels. Meepo Poo wheels with shock absorption give you a better riding experience. Meepo Poo sleeves are removable, which means that you can upgrade your hub motors by replacing the Poo sleeves instead of changing the whole motors. Number 2. Blizzard Electric Skateboard. Range and speed. Top speed of up to 23 mph and a max range of up to 10 miles on one charge. Dual motors, making going up a steep hill a breeze. Equipped with a secured 36 lithium-ion battery pack that can be fully charged within 3 hours. 2021 new released wireless remote. Easy-to-hold wireless remote that controls acceleration and deceleration with reverse capability. Remote battery lasts up to 7 days on a single charge. Maple wood plus bamboo deck and premium grip tape. The 8-layer deck consists of 6-ply maple wood sand, 3.5 wheels, 700-watt brushless hub motor. In hub motor vs belt-driven motor. Brushless hub motors are more reliable and less problematic. Our hub motors give the board an aesthetically pleasing appearance to the overall design without belts. Pulleys and transmissions under the skateboard. Board can be kicked like a regular board even without juice. Number 1. Meepo Electric Skateboard. Meepo Shuffle SV4 or electric skateboard comes with powerful hub motors that can adapt to different situations with a top speed of 29 mph and range of 18 miles. We changed the wheels to 105mm. You can enjoy your board more stable, more safety. The deck is specially designed with a concave that aids you in making turns and provide a stable ride at high speeds. It has 8 layers of Canadian maple plus 1 fiberglass layer, which make the board more flexible and durable. It supports ADA fast charging, which can charge from 0% 100% in just 58 minutes. Using an ADA charger can fully charge your board in 58 minutes. No longer have low battery anxiety. The new S with sensitive control system can provide riders with smooth braking. The waterproof performance is up to IP6. There are 4 modes you can switch to adapt various daily usage. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.